Day 13, Asking for Directions. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English learning series. Today is day 13, and we're going to learn how to ask for directions in English. Imagine you're visiting a new city. You want to find a bank, a restaurant, a hotel, or a train station. What can you say? In today's lesson, you will learn simple and useful sentences like, where is the bank? How can I get there? Turn left, turn right, and go straight. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to ask for and understand simple directions. So let's begin. Asking where is. The first question is, where is the bank? Repeat after me. Where's the bank? Again, where's the bank? Very good. You can replace bank with many other places. For example, where's the supermarket? Repeat. Where's the supermarket? Where's the hotel? Where's the train station? Where's the hospital? Where's the restaurant? You can use this simple pattern. Where's plus place? For example, where's the bank? Where's the post office? Where's the bus station? Now let's practice. I will say the place. You make the question. Bank. Pause. Where's the bank? Hotel. Where's the hotel? Restaurant. Where's the restaurant? Train station. Where's the train station? Excellent. How can I get there? Now let's learn another very useful question. How can I get there? Repeat. How can I get there? Again. How can I get there? This means, what do I need to do to reach that place? For example, excuse me, where's the bank? Someone answers, it's on Main Street. You can ask, how can I get there? Let's practice the complete conversation. Excuse me, where's the bank? It's on Main Street. How can I get there? Very good. You can also say, how do I get there? Repeat, how do I get there? Both are useful and natural. Go straight. Now, let's learn some direction words. The first one is, go straight. Repeat, go straight. Again, go straight. Go straight means continue in the same direction. For example, go straight for 2 blocks. Repeat, go straight for 2 blocks. You can also say, go straight ahead. Repeat, go straight ahead. Let's practice. If someone asks, excuse me, where's the bank? You can answer, go straight, or go straight for 2 blocks. Very good. Turn left and turn right. Now let's learn 2 important expressions. Turn left. Repeat. Turn left. And turn right. Repeat. Turn right. Let's put them together. Go straight and turn left. Repeat. Go straight and turn left. Now, go straight and turn right. Repeat. Go straight and turn right. Excellent. You can also give directions using at the corner. For example, turn left at the corner. Repeat. Turn left at the corner. Or turn right at the corner. Repeat. Turn right at the corner. Now let's practice. I say, go straight and you say, turn left. Again, go straight and turn right. Great job. Useful direction vocabulary. Let's learn a few more useful words. Left, right, straight, corner, street, block, and next to. Next to means very close to something. For example, the bank is next to the supermarket. Repeat, the bank is next to the supermarket. You can also say, the bank is across from the hotel. Across from means on the opposite side. Repeat, the bank is across from the hotel. Another useful expression is, it's on your left. Repeat, it's on your left. And it's on your right. Repeat, it's on your right. Excellent. Full conversation practice. Now let's practice a complete conversation. Imagine you're walking down a street and you need to find a bank. Listen carefully and repeat the useful sentences. Excuse me, where's the bank? Pause and answer. Go straight for 2 blocks. Good. Now, okay, what I do next? Pause and answer. Turn right at the corner. Good. Now, is the bank far from here? Pause and answer. No, it's next to the supermarket. Excellent. Let's practice the useful answers again. Go straight for 2 blocks. Turn right at the corner. No, it's next to the supermarket. Very good. Now let's change the destination. This time, we're looking for a restaurant. Excuse me, where's a restaurant? Pause and answer. Go straight and turn left. Then, it's on your right. Excellent. Final speaking challenge. Now it's your turn. Don't just listen. Speak. Imagine someone asks you, excuse me, where's the hotel? Give them directions. You could say, go straight. Turn left at the corner. The hotel is on your right. Let's try one more. Excuse me, where is the train station? Your answer could be, go straight for 2 blocks and turn right. The train station is next to the bank. Excellent work. Today we learned, where's the bank? How can I get there? Go straight. Turn left. Turn right. It's on your left. It's on your right. It's next to the supermarket. It's across from the hotel. Remember, the best way to learn English is to practice speaking every day. So, pause this video, repeat the sentences, and practice giving directions out loud. If you enjoyed today's lesson, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and come back for day 14. See you next time. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep learning English.